Just close your eyes. And now just take a deep breath. Just deep inhalation for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just exhale it very fastly as everything that you don't want is just leaving out of your body in a rush. Again, inhale for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now exhale fastly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, one more time. Inhale for 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now exhale fastly. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Just visualize a golden string or a thread from your heart chakra, which is in middle of your chest. Just visualize this golden string. And this thread is just passing down your lower chakras through your navel, belly, abdomen, legs, and just placing a strong anchor at Mother Earth. Now, again from your heart chakra, this string is again getting passed through your upper chakras, throat, third eye, and crown, and getting anchored in the vast sky with the presence of Father Universe. Now, as you have anchored yourself with this golden thread of abundance, now just visualize a white light as if you have soaked with this moonlight, the light of protection, safety, guidance, and support is just swirling around you. And this is the light that carries you to your abundant dreams. Just follow my words and hold on. Visualize everything that is said here. Just step up, walk a few steps, and when you are about to open the door, at the back of the door, there is a sacred golden coat. Just wear it. It can be any dress that is golden. Just customize the dress according to your wish. It can be a golden sari, it can be a golden shirt, can be anything that is in sparkling gold that speaks to you in the frequency of gold. Now just open the door and you just see this bridge that is designed with infinity symbol. And as you walk, all the desires are just dropping off from your foot and is getting planted as a seed in this bridge. All that is your vision. It can be a purpose driven mission, is all blooming with the smile. The every seed of your dream is just getting planted in the bridge and it is blooming with the smile. And you walk the whole infinity bridge till the last. And when you return, you're just returning now. And all the seeds have already bloomed fully. Is it your desire of living a healthy life, doing what you love? Just claim it. It is done. Is it the loving partner that you want in life? Claim it. It is just done. Is it you earning 5 lakh per month by doing what you want to do? Just embody it. It is already done. Is it that job you are eyeing for a long time? It is already yours. Just own it. Is it that dream happy home in which you want to live? Just visualize you're already there and you're just spreading smiles. Is it that car you want to buy? Hey, you're already driving it. So, any desire that you want to embody and live, it is already yours. And just visualize all your dream seeds is the current life that you're living. And you're just taking all those bloomed flowers into yourself. When you came, you just planted the seeds. Now, when you are leaving, all these bloomed flowers are just getting absorbed by you. And now, slowly, you just see a rainbow colored circle in this bridge. The moment you step in, you just see that highest version of you who's filled with love, being loved for what you are, and loving everyone as they are with the flaws and imperfections. This version of you is acting on all the goals, grabbing all those opportunities, feeling super energetic, living for the self and not for others. You feel that frequency of this version, which is bold, confident, expressing the truth with respect, and attracting the desires like magnet. It is fine for this version to slow down. No more you feel guilty to take that rest. This version is accepting, surrendering, and trusting the timing of the universe. You see yourself free from others' judgments, criticism, opinions, and living the life only the way you care. Abundance is just pouring like a rain, and you're enjoying all the drops, the sprinkles, the splashes. This higher self of yours is patient, rests when it wants, feels enough within itself, gives and shares without a second thought. Everybody who see you gets inspired, loves your presence, acknowledges your grace, and accepts you the way you are. You desire, explore, create, and act as you think, and do not wait long for the right time validation because all that you trust is you, and you're just being like that state of water that is free flowing. The water just gets redirect if it senses a block but never stops or thinks to flow. The same water that you become today. You become the air that is available to everyone to make you breathe. You are the multimillionaire of your family. You are just changing the trajectory path of your family trees by taking them towards growth. And while you walk this path of growth, it may seem you are alone, but along with you, your ancestors' support are just following like your shadow. Now, as you step out of this rainbow, just run like a child, which is the exact child that is in you. This child is just running with so much love and desire to create the life it wants. The child roars with joy, and as it runs, the abundance gate in your life opens like a flood, and it is kept open so that you always receive from it. And now you just come to the path where you started, and this golden cloth, coat, or any dress that you're wearing is just getting reduced to that golden dust and sparks. And this version, this abundance version that is transmitted inside you, is just getting dissolved in you, and you realize that you are the portal and you have the power to open it, to channel through it, and live in this frequency of infinite abundance. So, as you have just unlocked that Lionsgate portal, which is going to be flooded with abundance, wisdom, knowledge, wealth, health, your purpose, and everything you deserve and desire. Now, with this abundant version of you, which is magnetic, which is vibrating at the highest frequency of having all the desires because you just deserve it. You just come, you just come to the place now where you started it, and just feel the presence of the space around you, feel the space of your clothes, feel your clothes, feel the place that you were sitting. And now, slowly, with this golden, abundant version of you, just start rubbing your palms. Just see the sparkles and just give this heat to your eyes, face, and your whole body. And then now just open your eyes with this abundant version of you. Yes, so yeah, successfully. Congratulations on your abundant self. Thank you so much for each and everyone who joined and stayed till the end to welcome that abundant version inside you. I'm extremely happy that this has happened because you are just powerful version of yourself now. And you are the portal, and you can just channel everything that you want, and you are the magnet which can pull every desire to you. You are that gravitational force. So, yeah, congratulations to everyone, including me. So, we have activated really something abundant. So, just be open to all the magic and miracles that are about to happen. Yes, so thank you so much for this 90, just being with me for this the 90 minutes, last 90 minutes. I hope something opened in you.